Today, this is a living tip sharing for fish tank keepers. This is a life-saving setup for me and may be for you if you have one or more big fish tanks to feet plus. The tank is placed indoors where it does not have direct water piping. You don't want to carry multiple buckets of water to fill the tank. You don't have space to keep spare water tanks. You don't want to manage spare water tanks. Garden hose connector to filter. Midway connector to split and avoid leakage. Portable storage box for the filter. This is the filter water stopper if fish tank is full. Keeping the indoor part near to fish tank. Keeping the indoor part near to fish tank. Here are some quick information that may be helpful for your purchase. There are 3 types of filter, which are PP particle filter, UDF active carbon chlorine odor filter, and RO filter to remove all dissolved solids. RO filter has a gravity unit. Avoid less than 200 G, keeping the indoor part near to 67% wastewater and 33% pure water. For freshwater tank, only UDF filter may already be sufficient. For filter tube size, generally it is standard. When choosing connector, you will need to look for 1/4 inch in English. At the description section below, you will find some sample keywords for you to copy and search online. Keeping the indoor part near to fish tank. For a complete setup, the costs range from $69 to $229 or around $15 to $50. Subscribe now to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting tech-related content.